Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili sauce kebab shop easy guide. Start by selecting fresh chilies and preparing vinegar, sugar, garlic, and salt to balance heat and acidity. Roast or char peppers for a smoky tone, then blend with oil for a smooth, pourable texture. Taste, adjust seasoning, and simmer a short time to meld flavors before cooling and bottling for serving. Gather ingredients in advance to streamline cooking and ensure consistent results when preparing sauce for a kebab shop. Use a mix of fresh red chilies, white vinegar, sugar or honey, garlic, salt, and a neutral oil or tomato paste for body. Roast chilies for depth, blend to a smooth consistency, then simmer gently to marry flavors. Cool and test heat levels before bottling for service. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical kebab shop tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long shifts and fits easily in a staff locker, with a leak-proof lid and handy carry loop. It's a small upgrade that saves time between orders and keeps you focused. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by charring chilies over a flame or roasting in the oven until skins blister, then cool and peel for cleaner flavor. Blend roasted chilies with vinegar, sweetener, garlic, salt, and oil or tomato paste until smooth and uniform. Transfer to a saucepan, simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes while skimming foam, then cool and bottle. Label each batch with date and heat level for consistency during service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.